In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to get a UUID or unique identifier in Python. Now, if you're using a modern version of Python, I believe 2.5 or greater should have this, but it has a built-in module for UUID. So all you need to do is add in import UUID, and then it has a few different versions you can use. I'm just using UUID 4 here, but all you can do is create a UUID by doing UUID.UUID4. We're going to call our method there, creates a UUID object. Then we can print out the hex of it. If we want hex bytes, we can also print out a string representation of it. There's a few other things you can do, but that's the basic idea. It is always unique. Anyway, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.